Can't like sit like a boy. This is my favorite thing. This is Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bhavya. I am 24 years old. I've been living in Bangalore from class 3 years. I'm shooting this on my MacBook because I don't want to use my phone right now. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I have from Max. So Max products are really good. Whenever I go home, I get something from my siblings or my mother. Hi, this is a green color top. If you can't tell, it's a dark green color top. You can pair this with any jeans. It really looks good and it fits very nicely. I usually go for size small, and yeah, it's really good. I'm really sorry if the transition and lighting is really bad. This is my first video and I really wanted to post on 1st of February. I hope you will enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, next is this black legging. I don't know if you can see. It's very smooth, soft. When I went home, I took this for my mother in black and for my sister in maroon color. It's really good. And if there is winter, you can wear this legging below something. But I feel this is very comfortable while doing exercises in gym. So yeah, I think it was about 200 rupees, 199, and the top was around 499 because I got it in a sale and I think that sale is still going on, so you can check it out. Okay, next is this top. I don't usually wear this top alone. I wear it with a spaghetti or a sando because I usually want to keep it in such a way. But it's so soft, so comfortable. You can wear it in office or pub, anywhere. It's really comfortable. Okay, next is this skirt. It looks like a skirt. Genuinely, I'm not comfortable wearing skirts. It's not that I feel insecure or anything. I just feel that I can't be myself. I can't like sit like a boy or be free when I'm wearing a skirt. So this is not actually a skirt. This is a kind of a knicker. So it's not open from the end. There is a partition like a pant. It's really comfortable. I have not even worn it once outside. But yeah, looking forward. This is the dress. I got it like few days back. I honestly don't have much of a dress collection, but it feels kind of cute, and you can wear it to office or not actually a club wear. It's basically a comfort like hangout dress, I guess. Yeah, it's really cute. I think this is my favorite dress. This is properly a date outfit, and I really don't know when I'll get a chance to wear it, but I really loved it. I've even not removed the tag for this dress, and I know you can't see it properly. I'll probably add a photo of me in this dress in the right corner. So yeah, this was about 2000, but it's still reasonable for a. It's really pretty dress. I'll add a photo and you'll understand. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you the prices now. This is about 1000, and this was about also 1000 rupees. Uh, this is also 1000. The dress and the pants were about I think 199. The leggings and the top is also 499. Yeah, so it's pretty reasonable. Yeah. So see you soon. Bye.